assignment operator, division equals to divide and assign, plus equals to add and assign, minus equals to subtract and assign, then multiplication equals to multiply and assign, modulo equals to modulus and assign, then exponent assign, then floor division and assign. So see that what is the difference between this assignment operator? If you write a equals to 5, that means it is called the assignment. Means in a I have stored 5. If I write here a is equals to 5, then it will check whether the value of a is equals to 5. It will check whether the value of a is equals to 5 or not. So it is called the assignment operator. Now it is a exponent equals to, now we go for the example, c is equals to 10. Okay, now c plus equals to 5, right? I write here c is equals to 10, then c plus equals to 10. It means what? अर्थटा कौन? अर्थ हूँ c is equals to c plus 10. c रो valueटा है c plus 10. And now when I print this value, so c is plus equals to 5 suppose. Now when I write print c, then print c, now check what is the result. So c रो value है 10, c plus equals to 5 means 10 plus 5 है 15. तो इटा 15 print कला. बुझेला? हर्षा प्रियदर्शिनी बुझ पाइल?
Yes, sir.
मनोरंजन?
आज्ञा सर
बुझे होची?
आज्ञा सर
No. Again I pass c is equals to c minus, suppose minus equals to 5 again. तो c minus equals to 5 करके then print c, then check here that if first 10 थिला तो 10 plus 5 है 15. then मुझे 15 नो 5 minus कली, minus कला परे आउ रहा 10, तो ये मतलब 10 print कला. Next is c multiplication equals to 2. तो c multiplication equals to 2. Then print c. देखो जो 10 थिला 10 अगेन मल्टीप्लाई है 10 into 2 ही गला 20. Then say division by 2. Then c division by 2. Then print c. Okay, so it is divide and assign. So 20 by 2. then next is C modulo equals to 3, then print C. The modulo means division है एबे मोर केते रहितला ना 10 थिला तो 10 by 3 your remainder is 1. Okay, बुझियला हर्षा प्रियदर्शनी बुझियला.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so next program is logical operator. So in a logical operator we are using and or not operator. So that means what? In the case of and operator, and operator means this one. Okay, so when true it return you true, true false return you false. It will check for the two condition माने दीटा condition को check करियो. यदि दीटा condition true होला तो true return करियो, true false is false, false is false. Then in the case of OR operator, in the case of OR operator, true it return you true, true false it return you true, false it return you false. It is in the case of OR operator. Then now comes to the NOT operator. This NOT operator. In NOT operator, it is check for one condition. If true, then it is return you false. If false, then it is return you true. यदि ट्रू है ताले फॉल्स आसीबो, यदि फॉल्स है ताले ट्रू आसीबो. It is in the case of not operator. Again. Then next, another example is in operator. In operator, it return true if the variable is sequence of another variable or else false. माने गोटे वेरिएबल टा में चेक करबा सेटा आ गोटे सीक्वेंस रे अछि कि नै, प्रेजेंट अछि कि नै. Not ins, it return true if the variable is not in the sequence of another variable. In means it return that variable is present in another sequence or not. Not in means return true if the variable is not sequence of another variable. Now check here. It is if else हम start करने, but you have to assume that मैं कही दूची a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20. तो आम गोटे लिस्ट पास कले 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. तो ये मु कंडीशन चेक करी if condition for checking a condition if statement is used. If a in list, a टा लिस्ट भितर अच्छी कि a लिस्ट भितर अच्छी कि जदि अच्छी so a is in given list. जदि नहीं a is not in a given list. तो if b not in list, okay, so b not in list, b टा 20, तो 20 टा से कहूँ जे ए लिस्ट भितर नहीं, तेणु एटा मोर कंडीशन फॉल्स हला. तो मोर एल्स ब्लॉक एग्जीक्यूट हबो, एटा देखेबो b is present in given list. Now I run this program. Just a minute, it is extra symbol रही है. Just a minute. तो यहाँ हूँ एक्चुअल प्रोग्राम हम एक्चुअली जो व्हाइट स्पेस जगह डॉटेड रही है. तो ये आमर देखियो आमर प्रिंट करिवो कोन ना मैं ये मॉडिफाई कर दूँ. ଗୋଟେ extra space ସବୁ ରହିଯାଇଛି। Okay, so now the program is correct. Okay, so A is in given list, A is a 10, so A is present in the list, so it is showing you A is given list. Now B is 20, so they will check B not in list. That is condition false here. B not in list because B is present in the list, so it is showing you B is in the given list. बुझेला? Harsha, Priyadashini?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow at 9 p.m.
Yes, sir.
I will meet. Okay, so Kali class 9 p.m. चलो